Number 9, that's right. RVing with Joe, no actual rig or of this type of rig from this company. And you can look at it has a fridge, has a microwave, has a bed. There she goes. So
I didn't mean. Sorry. Just
it's got a stove. I can't.
What about Rebel with a cause where they sent one pic? Did you skip that?
So if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button below. It really helps us get a work truck. But what do you call those? The tool truck beds.
Please comment below because we don't remember what they're called.
What is it? It's a tool bed, right? It's a tool bed truck. And of course, this is the Ford on this. No.
Next
From Chris Stick Shift Savant. She squeaks.
Okay. Oh.
Chris Stick Shift Savant. All right. Big thanks to Chris, the Stick Shift. Chris, I'm never gonna get through this.
Sorry.
Thanks to Chris, the Stick Shift Savant, who sent us this homemade camper. Sweet Pea sent me this in. Sent me this in.
One of those. Sent this in.
Sweet Pea sent me this picture. She actually spotted it going down the road. What she said.
I didn't say anything.
No, right.
I was gonna say something mean, like,
Right.
Oh, that one.
Yeah,
that's a Heid PE.
A what? Oh yeah, Heid PE. It's a Heid PE. It's gonna be the longest ever. I'm gonna have so much to cut out. This one sucks. We're gonna go straight to turducken. Anyway, let's laugh. Yeah, it's time for turducken. Then you're a redneck. Yeah, we might tweak the segue here a little bit. If you do 12 videos about turducken,
my goodness,
it amazes me what people will drive down the road with. It amazes me what people will drive down the road with. No, with what people will drive. With what? With
yeah. But if it were so simple.
It blows my mind what people will drive down the road with.
Yeah, technically that's wrong, but that's better if you, it's fine for speaking.
Well, you do if you say it right after I said it.
I didn't mean to ruin it.
Clearly with this is not with something you would want to drive with.
Keep going.
This is a classic tow truck turducken where we got classic tow truck turducken sent in by Melissa L. Thanks for sending it to us. So in this case here, Paul K sent me this video. In this case here, Paul K sent me this picture that he already. Nope. So that these are sometimes called. Oh God, what's the name of the things? Crawler haulers. There'd be a whole lot of other reasons to haul something other than a recreational vehicle. So recreational. And there'd be a whole lot. I'll just leave that out. Just back up.
ATV.
What she said. Let's see here. I guess we covered them all. This will be a unique one. We'll see how it works. If I don't like it by the time you wake up, I'll be like, yeah, honey, I re-recorded it.
We'll have some good, what are those called?
Outtakes. Yeah, but I only get 30 seconds of that. I don't need 20 minutes.
You can post another video with all the outtakes.
All right.
You just do an uncut.